What's going on? How's everyone doing?
Shout out to Colin. Everybody else who's cool.
Chunky! I didn't say.
Eat your popcorn and your Coca-Cola and relax.
Anyway, tell Colin I'm ready.
What's going on? This is Colin. How's everybody doing? I hope you're having a great day so far. I've got a couple good ones for you. First two are in front of Judge Gauthier. You know me. I don't know which one it is, but it's one of our favorite judges out of Michigan. And these two defendants find out the hard way how to instantly spend Christmas in jail. And then I've got a bonus clip in front of Judge Simpson, which is a fun one. And it is the return of one of our favorite defendants, probably the happiest person in jail. So let's go. Let's do it. Before I hit that play button, you know what to do. Hit the like and subscribe. Do your jump kick backflips. Let's go.
Sure. All right, good afternoon. We are on the record in the 53rd Circuit Court for the County of Sheboygan, and we are providing public access. And also online, we have an arraignment on a couple of warrants. The first is file 22-6371FH, People of the State of Michigan versus Maryanne Burgess. Counsel, please state your appearances.
Anthony Juliet on behalf of the people.
Eric Donnelly on behalf of the defendant.
All right, good afternoon. And Ms. Burgess, we have one pending violation that was by a show cause that's already been arraigned on and has been pending a while. And I have two warrants to arraign Ms. Burgess on. First one, signed on December 5, it alleges, Ms. Burgess, that you have violated your probation with 3 technical violations. Count one, that on October 28th, you had a positive substance use test for methamphetamine. Count two, that you left a residential substance abuse treatment prior to completing the program. On 11/23, you were admitted to Bear River. On 12/2, supervising field agent was notified by MSP that you left the program. Was walking down the middle of the road in Boyne City. Trooper reported he was concerned for your safety, would try to get her to go back in treatment. And then there was no further contact with that trooper. Count 3, it's alleged that you left Bear River Health on 12/2 or before, and that you did not contact the Department of Corrections or your supervising agent after that to provide your current residence. The field agent tried contacting your mother-in-law, CPS case manager, other friends and family were unable to locate you and they were unaware of your whereabouts. And then there's also a warrant that I signed today that alleges you are in violation of your probation. Is a non-technical violation in that it's alleged that you were arrested by Boyne City Police on 12/9 for operating under the influence of drugs, no security, and expired license. You have the right to have a hearing on all those allegations where they would need to be proven by a preponderance of the evidence. You have the right to the assistance of a lawyer. You have the right to cross-examine the evidence presented against you and to present evidence in your own defense. You are on probation to me for a charge of possession of methamphetamine. It's a 10-year felony. And if you are found to be in violation of these allegations of your probation and or you admit to it, I could revoke your probation. You'd be having, if you're proven of all of them, more than 4 technical violations, and also with the non-technical, I could revoke for that alone. So I could revoke your probation and sentence you on that underlying offense, which, as I said, has the maximum of 10 years in prison. Ms. Burgess, do you understand the rights that you have and the penalties that you could face? Do you have any question for me or your lawyer about any of those rights? Mr. Villanueva, do you know how she wishes to proceed?
She wishes to proceed with the hearing, Your Honor. She pleads not guilty.
Okay, so I'll schedule this. We'll enter pleas of not guilty on these violations. And we'll schedule these for a probation violation hearing, as well as a hearing on the allegations from the October 3rd summons that's already been pending. So we'll schedule a probation violation hearing on all three alleged violation petitions for January 7th at 9:30 a.m. And Ms. Libby, I think, was representing Ms. Burgess on the first violation. So Mr. Villanueva, should we just refer it for appointment of Ms. Libby for these ones as well?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, so we'll do that. Anything further from the defense?
Your Honor, in light of the alleged circumstances, what bond, if any, will the court set for the defendant?
None. All right, we'll see you on January 7th. All right, and up next, we've got file number 24-6799FH, People of the State of Michigan versus Mary Jean Johnson. Counsel, you want to state your appearances, please?
Anthony Julian on behalf of the people.
Eric Villanueva on behalf of the defendant.
All right, and good afternoon, Ms. Johnson. It's alleged that you are in contempt of court for failing to appear for your sentencing hearing on September 10th, 2024. In fact, it's really not so much a failure to appear as it is an allegation that you were here for it and then you decided to leave, walked out.
I'm not scared, yes.
So you have got the right to have a hearing on that allegation where it has to be proven beyond a reasonable doubt that you did not appear for your sentencing. You have the right to have a lawyer at that hearing to present evidence in your own defense and cross-examine the evidence that would be presented against you. If I do find you to be in contempt, I could jail you for up to 93 days and or fine you up to $7,500. Do you understand the maximum penalty that you could face for the contempt and the rights that you have?
Yes, Your Honor.
Any question for me or your lawyer about any of those rights?
No, Your Honor.
And Mr. Villanueva, do you know how she wishes to proceed?
She wishes to proceed with the hearing, Your Honor, so she pleads not guilty.
Okay, we'll enter plead not guilty as to the contempt. We still have to accomplish the sentencing on the underlying offense, the false report of a felony. Mr. Gilbert had been representing her in that, so would this contempt be handled by Mr. Gilbert then, Mr. Villanueva?
It will, Your Honor.
All right, so we'll schedule this. Our afternoon on January 7th is already too full, so we're going to schedule this for a sentencing on the underlying case and a contempt hearing on January 28th at 2:50 in the afternoon. Anything further from the defense?
In light of the alleged circumstances, what bond, if any, will the court give the defendant?
Well, she had pled guilty to a felony, so bond would have been discretionary anyway. And I had continued her bond, and then she walked off during her sentencing day or just before I called the case. So I don't see why I should have her on a bond before.
My husband has dialysis and I have to drive him Monday, Wednesday, and Friday if it's like for the holidays.
Well, you pled not guilty. You probably don't want to tell me too much about that.
I guess
In any event, that was 3 months ago. So
Yes,
no
I
bond.
understand.
I'll see you on January 28th.
Tell there be something.
See you on January 28th. All right, we'll be in recess.
Yep, that's how you make sure that you're in jail for Christmas right there. 2 cases, 2 quick ones. Because those were 2 quick ones, I've got a bonus clip. Like I said, this is Judge Simpson and one of our favorite defendants, probably the happiest person in jail. Let's go.
Court does call the case of the People versus Carista. Is it Riopel? Riopel or Riopelli?
And Assistant Public Defender Chinazi Carey, I can really, Your Honor, on behalf of Ms. Carista.
I can hear you.
I'm so sorry.
You want me to wait till you finish? Okay.
I'm so sorry.
All right, go ahead. Yeah, go that way. All right, go ahead. What?
Assistant Public Defender Chinazi Carey, I can really, Your Honor, on behalf of Carista Riopel. Ms. Riopel, could you state your name for the record?
Krista Rifle.
Thank you. What are we doing?
Okay. You did.
Didn't I?
You sure did. And I said it the same way 2 times. Your Honor, we are asking for adjournment. We want to get some mitigation information together to provide to the people.
All right.
We would need about 4 weeks, perhaps.
January 9th, 2025, 9 a.m. Bond continued.
Thank you very much, Your Honor.
And I still go for the green sheet. Yeah. Yeah, I know. You started the day out that way. And you
Mr.
learned,
Allen, come on.
you have learned nothing.
Dang.
I let you slide.
You did.
I did. I let you slide and I said, okay, bad
I am
morning.
so appreciative, Your Honor.
I said, bad morning. It's okay. She'll get better as the day goes on. Naza, that hasn't happened.
Mr. Simpson, don't be
I'll do
mean.
better next week.
You're gonna,
Try again on
you
Thursday.
know. Are you filling it out
Yes, Your Honor.
at the podium
I'm-
so that nobody else can go? Is it her next? This is hers?
Yes.
Oh, then, oh boy, we're gonna have her multitask that at work. Court calls the cases of the people versus Tamika Slip. Hi.
And Assistant Public Defender Chinazi Carey, I can rule, Your Honor, on behalf of Tamika Schiller.
State your name.
Tamika Ship.
Okay. All right.
Hi, buddy.
Your Honor, we had my office submitted a referral for competency in this matter on all 5 of the cases.
All right. And what I will do, I will sign those. Competency hearing in these matters will be set for March 13th, 2025, 9 a.m. Bond will continue.
Mr. Simpson, Merry Christmas.
And Merry Christmas to you too, Miss Slip.
I hope Santa brings you everything you ask for.
Oh, me too.
Thank you.
Keep
Of
smiling now.
course, I have to worry. People that
Smile.
come down my chimney get shot. What?
Don't shoot Santa. That's not funny.
All right. You take care.
You tell me this. Happy New Year, everybody.
Okay.
All right. Like I said, that's one of our favorite defendants. She's awesome. She's probably the happiest person in jail. Last time she came with a joke. I thought she would come with a joke this time. No jokes, just joyfulness. All right. I hope you guys like that. Please hit that like button if you did. Until next time. Bye.